Do you want to know how WhatsApp can help you improve your business? Then stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about how you incorporate technology and social media to grow your business. So before we jump into it, I will really appreciate it if you will like and subscribe and also hit the notification button so that you can always be notified when I post a video. So currently, WhatsApp is free to use for businesses. All right. Well, currently, while recording this video, it is free. However, WhatsApp is a great platform, a platform that has helped me in my business. I can easily communicate and also send pictures and a lot of information regarding my services to my customers. Okay. WhatsApp can also be used as a mini website where you can display all of your product listing. Guys, WhatsApp to me is awesome. And I know it is used by millions of people in the world. So, well, that's why I really love it, because it has helped me sell my products without a website. By incorporating WhatsApp into my business strategy, I was also able to respond to customer messages very quickly without having them, wait too long for a response. And of course, when customers wait too long, they may not buy. They may get fed up and not buy. But this strategy has worked for me. Also, you are not able to use both WhatsApp. So you cannot use your personal WhatsApp along with the business WhatsApp on the same phone. Okay. But if you need to switch, you can switch back and forth between both platforms, right? So you can download WhatsApp and download WhatsApp Business, just without losing any data. So you will not lose anything. All right. The only thing that will be removed when you move over from WhatsApp Business back to your personal is that you will lose all the business feature that's there. All right. So that's the main thing you will lose. But apart from that, your current messages and everything else remains the same. All right, guys. So I really hope that all this information has provided some value to you. Okay. If it did, please, you know what to do. Give me a like and subscribe, hit the notification button, guys, so I can be motivated to continue to provide, good information, valuable information to you that will help in your business. Until next time, bye-bye.